Okay, hey guys, Maxman RC. Finally, we're done. The only thing that's gonna be left after this will be to actually test drive this thing, and that's it. But overall, the overhaul is pretty much done. Granted, I still do need to get the cage for it, but the roll cage. But the mechanical portion of it is all finished. We got this done. Today, we just received the last. We got the brand new spark plug ready to go in. So come on, let's go on ahead and do that with me. Go on ahead and put on the new spark plug right here. Now with me personally, I do this with every spark plug, specifically with this thing, just to make sure everything's in good shape. And it is, so let's go ahead and actually leave it on there this time. Now, I'm gonna grab this guy real quick here. And I know that these are overkill. There you go. Yeah, perfect. Time to put the plug wire in. Alright, and just like that, we are finished. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the series. I know it wasn't very exciting per se, unless you guys are actually into these kind of rigs. Otherwise, I mean, overall, it was a fun little series to make. I'm happy about it, and I'm happy it went through pretty smoothly without much of a hitch. So that was it, guys. This was Maxman RC. Thanks for following along with me.